I think it's one of these things that again, you don't realize that until you go through the opposite, which is not having those things. It's like
Yeah.
every week struggling, not having enough leads because you might want to dial 400 dials a day, but if you don't have the amount of leads to make those dials, you can't dial the same 30 numbers 400 times a day, right? That doesn't work.
And I've seen agents who have said, well, I'm going to stop spending money on ad sets. I'm going to stop buying new leads because I have age data. And so they'll go off of their aged leads and they'll try to profit off of that. Yes, there is old gold in old leads, but it is a fight and it is a struggle. As an agent, yes, you need to dial your old leads. And to me, an old lead is anything past 3 days in life insurance. I don't care what anyone's told you. If it's 3 days or older, it is an aged lead. We are in the everyone's constantly advertised to, we're constantly stimulated. After 3 days, they're not going to remember the importance of why they clicked on it.